Here's exactly how to stop falling back into your bad habits every month. And no, I'm not going to tell you to get obsessed with discipline to get rid of your bad habits, because you'll fall back into it after some days or weeks if you rely on discipline alone. But what I'm going to tell you right now will help you create a new version of yourself permanently, one that doesn't slip back into those old routines. First things first, we've all been told to act tough and act like nothing can harm us. But human beings don't function like that. We always get carried away by emotions no matter how hard we try to control them. What I'm going to show you will make that bad habit feel like it's not even part of your identity anymore. Let's start here. Stop relying on willpower if you think you won't use your phone while studying, even though it's right there on the desk. You already know what happens next. You end up scrolling again. There's nothing worse than watching hours disappear and hating yourself after, only to repeat it the next day. And the truth is, your brain loves this cycle. When you go to the same places, use the same objects, see the same triggers, your brain associates them with the habit, like picking up your phone and instinctively checking Instagram even when you meant to do something productive. So what's the fix? Start with your environment. If you start smoking with your friends and then stop seeing those friends, you might just stop smoking, like my friend stopped smoking when he moved to another country and became a loner because he couldn't find his old friends. Well, you don't have to leave your country, just don't hang out with them all the time. It might sound harsh, but if that habit is slowly ruining your life, this is what doing it for yourself looks like. Now here's the second shift. Most people miss handling the mental urges. You can remove temptations from your space. But what about the random urges you get in the middle of a productive day? The kind that doesn't let you focus until you give in. If you keep telling yourself, I won't jerk off all day. Guess what you're going to end up doing when you're alone? It's simple. We act on the things we keep thinking about. But in reality, human beings don't crave the things they forget. You know that feeling when you're so deep in work, you forget to check your phone for hours. That mental state is possible. It's not luck, it's design. So here's the shift. Grab a pen and paper. Sit with yourself for 1 solid hour. No phone, no distraction. Write out every reason you struggle, every moment you relapse. Understand it so deeply that after that hour you stop obsessing over it. That's the last time you overthink the habit you're trying to leave. What helped me most was replacing my bad habits with something similar but better. For example, I swapped watching Netflix for video editing. I set a clear goal and reminded myself every day, I've got better things to build, just like this channel. I added creativity to my life, because creativity is what keeps the brain alive. If you don't think you're the creative type, this next video will show you how to unlock it anyway. Even if you don't feel creative, you still need it in your life. If you're unsure where to start, this video will walk you through.